if somebody invites you over, the first thing you ought to do is go look at their bathroom. And if their bathroom look like this, or like this, don't you eat their food?
I'm not eating a sandwich that my neighbor made when his apartment been smelling like a dead raccoon's ass.
Don't eat their food. I'm telling you, because if they can't clean their bathroom, their kitchen probably ain't clean either. I'm just telling you.
That's a damn shame.
My kids know the bathroom is the most important room in the house. You gotta keep your bathroom clean. Somebody invites you over to spend the weekend, or you out of town, or you spending the weekend with friends or whatever, and you go in their bathroom and their bathroom dirty, don't you stay in their guest room, get you a hotel. Because if they ain't clean the bathroom, they probably ain't washing sheets in their guest room either. Get you a hotel that days in, you heard me? It can be something cheap, it don't matter. That's probably better than staying at their little nasty ass house.
He ain't lying.
That's never gonna happen with me. I'm a neat freak. I believe in cleaning up. My mama and my dad used to make us scrub the baseboards around the house. Them ceiling fans that y'all be having in y'all house and all that, them ceiling fans, they collect dust. You ever went to somebody's house and you just started coughing for no reason? That's because they got a ceiling fan, and that ceiling fan is going around, and they haven't cleaned that ceiling fan in a year, you heard me? COVID just flying around in the air, just Corona just flying around in the air because they haven't cleaned them ceiling fans. Y'all, I'm laughing, but y'all know I ain't lying, man.
I ain't lying.
Man, these people do not be cleaning their houses for real.
Nasty bastards.
So today, I'm going to clean my son's bathroom from scratch. We're gonna start with the tub. Look, you might like to take a bath with your ring around the tub, but don't nobody else want to get in no tub with a big ring around the tub. Gotta get them toilets. I mean, you gotta like scrub the inside of the toilet. Cause see, you can't see up under there where the little stains be all up under there. You gotta scrub all around the inside. Lift that seat up. You gotta lift that seat up, clean all around the seat and all of that. Like, you gotta comment it out of there. Comment it out of there. Now, if you got young kings like I do, you know, they got like little beards and little mustaches and stuff now, and they be, you know, shaving and all that. Them little hairs be all over the sink. You gotta like take it all off, clean all of that. They know one thing about their dad's house. It's gonna always be clean, you heard me? I always say in another life I'd be an interior decorator or some type of chef or something. I love home living and just I'm very domestic. That's what a lot of people don't know about me. I'm very domestic. You know, I love at home. Y'all can lose me at home. I can stay in there all day. Pier 1 Imports. They just World Market. Oh my God. I'll just take anything out of World Market. Home Goods. I take it. I will take it. You heard me. I'll take it. And believe it or not, the Goodwill. You can find all type of little things that you can use to spruce up your house a little bit. You know what they say? One man's trash is another man's treasure. I believe any room you decorate has to have some type of scheme, you know, and you gotta be creative enough to keep that scheme going. Like use that color scheme and that theme and, you know, you kind of, you know, bring it to life over here and then you find little things to bring it to life over there and then you find little things to bring it to life over here and before you know it, it all starts coming together and boom. My boys know since they were kids, I've always taken domestic life seriously. You know, whatever you do outside the home, you do that, but you don't bring your problems here. You don't bring your drama here. You don't bring the hate here. We love here. That's what we do. And I want, you know, the guest room to feel like a hotel for my guests. You know, when they go in the bathroom, I want it to feel like they're in the doggone Hilton. You hear me? I want it to feel like they're in the damn Sheraton. That they love, they can just, you know, feel free and just relax when they're in the bathroom, cleaning themselves up and just taking their little break to, you know, kind of pull themselves together. I want it to feel nice. Candles are special to me. I go around town and I find places that have these unique scents and these candles, and I love to collect candles. I have candles everywhere. Candle will bring a bathroom out. You ever go in a bathroom and it smells good, it's all clean, and there's a candle lit right there to remind you this is a peaceful space? That's what I want. It's starting to come together. It's starting to come together. It's starting to come together. Them boys ain't gonna never leave out this bathroom. Them teenage boys, they already be in the bathroom for an hour anyway. I think I'm almost OCD. Like everything has to be in a line. This has to be aligned with that, and that has to be aligned with that. Put that straight. The trash can needs to be right up under the tissue thing. You know what I'm saying? It's all gotta be straight. It's gotta be, if you're gonna do it right. Some people say, putting pictures on the wall in the bathroom is just too much. Well, I just believe it brings the ambience out, especially if those pictures go with your theme, the color scheme and everything. It just makes the room pop even more. Nah, look at that. Look at that. Ah, your boy did that. Yeah, and it's so funny because people be asking me to come and decorate their living room. They say, look, this is how much money I got to work with. I like your creativity. Just come and do my den. Just come and do my bathroom. And I love doing it. I paint. I love all that type of stuff. And if you put an accent wall somewhere, just bring that room out. But if you guys get bored or if you're in a depression, one way to get through a depression or get through a bad time or whatever, just clean your house. Put you some good Afrobeat on, some old school music, man, and take time and just create a space for you to feel alive again, because that's what your home should be. It should be that space where you feel alive. Oh, y'all better not hate, because I did that. Oh yeah, your boy did that.